Welcome back. This is the train channel. Excuse me. We have a very short grain hopper train. Let's check it out because I seen Tom there at the end, or right there in the middle. I was thinking it was going to be light power, but no, we got a short, really short grain hopper train instead of this. Let's check it out. Actually, it's going towards no, I see. Nope, it's heading towards track 2 now. That hopper went. Yeah, the really short grain hopper, yeah. There they go. Yeah. There you go. All right, we'll be back on with the next train. Talk to you later. We're going to get off.